Today is Monday, the 29th. Is it the 29th? Yeah, the 29th of May. New week, new month. Almost a new month. But anyway, so I'm gonna start on a custom order now. Start on a custom order for which is due on Friday. It's just a top, so I can even finish it today and then she can fit it on tomorrow. But anyway, this is for a bridal shower and then her wedding is on the 1st of July. So I'm making both her wedding gown and this custom blouse. It's like a satin blouse, forget-it bust for her bridal shower. Oh my word. I started sewing at 11:30. Hey now, gonna scratch me. Look at the camera. Okay. And it's now 2:30, meaning 12:31 for 3 hours. Okay, that's not a lot. Why does it feel like I've been here for hours? But anyway, this top is so beautiful, like stunning, but it does take a lot of work and it's stretch satin, like a very delicate satin. So okay, my cat wants to play now. It's not playtime, Kachi. Yeah, you're biting me, biting, licking. She wants to play. I don't have time to play. Go play outside with the kids, Kachi. But anyway, very stunning. I totally enjoyed. Like, I think this is one of probably for the longest time. This is like one of my favorites because it just has the tiniest details. Sorry guys, tiniest details that take so much, that acquire so much attention and detail. Like it has this tiny pleats, tiny pearl buttons. So there's this long button stand. Button stand is, for those who aren't familiar with that, is basically this thingy that the buttons are on. Yeah, so I had to create this tiny loops. I'll show images. Please don't do that because you're gonna rip the fabric. Yeah, so I had to create, everything is so tiny, tiny pleats, tiny strings to oh sorry, make the loops of the buttons. Ew, I just sneezed, now I'm touching my eyes and wow. Hi. So we just had our first fitting and there's a few changes. So she doesn't want the part that goes up over the torso, basically the underbust, this part that was there. So it's just gonna be like a cute little bralette, if I can call it that. Yeah, so I'm not sure how I'm gonna make this stay under the boobie. Maybe what do you call it, elastic, just to keep it under the boobie, because underwire will definitely not work since it's, yeah, the underwire won't work because it's not a round cup. Instead it's round here because it attaches like this with a button, so it's round. Doesn't look round now because of the pleats, and then it goes, yeah, so it's not like this, it's more like a half moon basically, going in this direction instead of going, yeah. So yeah, and then she's gonna wear it with this linen skirt from, I think this was our not I think, but this was part of our first sustainable collection, like our launch debut collection, you can call it that, as a sustainable brand. So satin and linen, such a nice combo. The colors works amazing, the fabrics complement each other so well, and that's basically what I want for my brand, because this is giving like boho chic vibes. But if you pair this top with black pants, maybe it can give you like a, you know, a sexy casual vibe. So that's basically one of my unique selling points, that, you know, it's versatile clothing. You can pair it with whatever style you have, whatever you have in your closet, so you don't have to worry what am I gonna wear this stuff with, what is gonna blah blah blah. But anyway, let me get back to work. Hi guys, today is Thursday and I actually realized that I didn't vlog much this week. Usually start on a strong on Mondays and then I find myself not vlogging the whole process. But anyway, we just did our fitting, and everything is perfecto. The vet is on Saturday. Yeah, so I'm just getting her package ready to deliver it this afternoon. Yeah, but let me show you what it looks like. Sorry, the lighting is really bad today. Yeah, but like I said, she's wearing this 100% linen skirt from our first sustainable collection, and then we actually changed the top into just a bralette type of top. Yeah, so it has this tiny gathers here at the bottom. It looks so amazing. And then pearl buttons and a pearl button stand on the cuff as well. Yeah, so can't wait for the images. Yeah, but I'm really excited. Yeah, and then you can't really see it on the hanger, but the sleeves are actually has a high shoulder, so it stands a bit when she has it on. So like a very powerful, classy bow type of look. I'm just throwing out words here, but yeah, it's a really gorgeous set. And look at that, the textures between the two just looks amazing. So it's Friday, and usually on Fridays I would have a, an artsy day. But today I decided Lucretia's with me this week again. Yeah, so we decided to go for working today instead of just doing arts. Last week we did the fabric dyeing, and then today we just decided to make the bags, which we're gonna use the fabric for. And then we went at 2 o'clock, we went for like a quick lunch at Slowtown, and then yeah, she got off early to go study. I'm gonna continue working. I need to finish a few baggies because I'm pressed for time. I've only 3 weeks left, 4 weeks left to finish 2 gowns, 1 wedding dress and 1 bridesmaid dress. So I need to work. Good morning, guys. Today is Thursday, the 7th, 8th. And yeah, I'm basically just packing for the great pop-up, which is this Saturday. So I quickly need to pack everything for the pop-up. You won't believe I haven't even gotten a chance to print out everything that I need to print out, posters, all of that shebang. And I still have to then pack thingies for myself. Of course, I have to represent, meaning I have to look cute too. So yeah.
Oh, before le abang nag-video ki. Bukan, oh ini papi kasi hizo. Enak.
Good morning, guys. This is my retake on the introduction. Not introduction, but yeah. There was actually music in the background, so I had to redo this. But anyway, I'm back home. Let me sit down. A little update on the pop-up. It went really good. I got a few sales in. What really stood out for me was, actually seeing actually when I call it community. So most of the people that supported me by buying are existing clients, which is honestly so beautiful to see. I think I have my little community, or established my community. Also grateful for those who supported, like the new clients that supported. And then yeah, if you didn't buy anything, that doesn't mean you didn't support me. My friends actually came to be there for me. So I attended it with my boyfriend, and then my brother actually also joined us. Yeah, but it went really good. Enjoyed it. Lots of fun. Actually got myself 2 new tattoos. Oh wow, how do I do this? There you go. So I got a wabi-sabi tattoo, and then I got a little tattoo in honor of Pepper. If you don't notice, Pepper was actually my cat that I got before Kachi. So this is not Kachi, this is Pepper. They're both black, but yeah, this is for Pepper. Short background, we took her home once to Aranos, to my hometown, and ran away, and I'm still traumatized. Anyway, so it was really fun. There was like basically fashion stalls, music, food. There was a bunch of games. Yeah, but shout out to Monochrome. You threw a really good pop-up. This is actually my first ever pop-up as an established brand. I had my first pop-up when I was still in university. Yeah, when we did our industry related. That's basically like you either do your internship or you do your industry related, which is going out there finding or selling an actual product to see how how the consumers behave. I need to but I need to continue on the dress that I'm currently busy with, or two dresses that I'm currently busy with. The one is already cut, and the other one I'm so busy with the pattern. So the one dress is basically this champagne color dress for a maid of honor. The wedding is on the 9th of July, and then the wedding dress is for a bride, which is her wedding is on the 1st of July. So I have 3 weeks to 2 weeks basically to finish the wedding gown, and 3 weeks to finish, not really 3 weeks, but yeah, I'm gonna work in, what do you call it, interchangeably between the two. So that's what I'm gonna be up to for the month of June. Any other orders, I think it's safe to say, and also kind to say to myself, that I have really been busy the last few weeks, and this weekend was actually, yes, I still worked, but it was actually also a nice day, I would call it. It's not even a weekend, to get away, be surrounded by other creatives. Yeah, so I'll be in my sewing room for the next 3 weeks. I'm actually a bit overwhelmed because I also have my social media clients. I have the content, it's just I need to edit it and, you know, schedule and, you know, all of that shebang. So I think I need to find a day within this week or 2 days that I need to, you know, edit the content and then actually schedule it, so then I know I don't have to worry about that every single day, as well as the content for my business page. I've been a bit quiet on there just because I have so much going on, and let me get into working and actually getting something done today. Yeah, my goal is to, for today I need to confirm a lot of fabrics of my client, like my trick clients and stuff, and I also need to schedule not consultations, but my first fittings, like sample fittings. It's basically just the gowns undone, it's just a sample, so I need to schedule that as well with my two current clients. Yeah, so let's see how, oh, this is so long. Hi guys, I wanted to come on here and just give a quick talk about something I've been experiencing as of lately. So for the past month, I could say I've been busy, but I don't know, I think I mentioned it in the previous video, like I was packed with work, but I also found myself getting tired easily. And in my mind I was like, you know, I tried to like do a bit of introspection, and I was just like, I tried to convince myself that I need to rest, I'm working too much. But now today I feel like I know myself, and I know I wasn't too much working like I used to. So the issue is, the reason I've been so tired, I'm not eating enough and I'm not drinking water enough. That's it. That has been the issue, because Kachi, what are you doing, my love? This cat is upside down. But anyway, so the issue was me not eating enough. I never know how to do this tattoo is actually that awkward spot. I think it should have been here, but it's like when I have my arm like this, when it faces me, it's straight, but this way yeah, it's stupid. Anyway, so the issue was me not eating enough. So obviously I'm not taking any energy or any foods to be converted into energy. I don't know, I'm not a nutritionist or whatever, so I don't know the right terminology, but I think that was the issue. And I just read this morning that if you also feel tired, then when you drink water, it's kind of like the tiredness goes away or whatever. But I do remember that from when I was working out, because usually when I was done working out, I would feel tired, and then I would drink water or smoothie, and that would disappear and I feel more energetic. But anyway, so that's the issue. I ate this morning, I ate breakfast, I ate lunch. No, I'm lying. I ate breakfast, I ate a snack. I am supposed to eat lunch right now, but now I feel like I should be working. But anyway, let me go eat. There's soup from last night, so I have to go eat that, and then I have to get back to work because I have my meeting tomorrow. Not meeting, my first, the mock-up, what do you call it, fitting with my wedding client tomorrow. So eat your food. Good morning. Today's Wednesday. I have 2 fittings today, and then one meeting at 1:30 with a brand. Yeah, I actually just came on here just for the lighting. It's so bright and white, and I'm also wearing white. But anyway, I'm now just waiting for my client. The fitting is at 12, but she let me know that she's gonna be a bit late. I don't know how late, but yeah.
Be things that they might not understand, and I'll wait to find the appropriate time to talk about it. I think they grew up seeing the cameras, and they grew up seeing that even as babies. We'd walk out and there'd be paparazzi, so it's not really something that they acknowledge a lot. But my daughter's really vocal. She'll tell them when she doesn't want them around and to leave her alone and to stop, and I love that they use their little voices. But they also have such a normal life and such a different life away from all of that too. And that's why I love that my sisters and I have these experiences together.
Absolutely. And when there's all the words that come out from you, like togetherness, loyalty. It's incredible to see it in family. But I think what you've then done, which when I saw you do this, it really moved me. When when I saw you kind of move into that direction of justice reform and using your voice and training to be a lawyer to make these changes in the world out there, because I find that
what I have that I'm working with, what's left on the cutting room floor, what I can possibly do to do reshoots, everything that you're going to tell me is within regard of having my best interests. That's confident.
Also too overwhelming to just be kinder. And like you said, it's a little 2%. Not even have to use 5%. You know, like it could just.
well, I'm hoping that nothing right now from you and you learn together. So if you enjoyed it, here's another one.
You have to keep dim or don't do this or you're gonna